Well, the first thing to note really is the fact that we are a department with an excellent reputation, and that comes about as a result of a whole number of different factors. First of all, we're a very large department. We've got about 40 teaching staff in the Department of Geography and Earth Sciences, and that makes us one of the largest departments of its kind in the whole of the UK. And the advantage of that is that we can teach a range of different schemes, ranging from different aspects of geography all the way through to environmental earth science and environmental science. But within those schemes as well, we have the capacity, because of our size as a department, to teach a whole range of different modules. So whichever aspect of geography, environmental science, environmental earth science you're interested in, we've got those aspects covered because of the size, if you like. Secondly, we're a department that has a very strong tradition, a long history as well. We're the second oldest department of geography and earth sciences in the UK. And that has given us a very strong reputation in a whole range of different ways. A lot of individuals, very prominent individuals, have worked their way through the department as students or as lecturers and have gone on to play important roles in higher education elsewhere, but also as teachers in a whole range of schools as well across the UK and internationally. So again, it's that sense of tradition that also gives us this very high reputation. But also I think the other thing to note about the department is the very high quality of the student experience that we have here. And that comes about, again, as a result of a number of factors. First of all, we emphasize the idea of research-led teaching. We performed very well in the most recent Research Excellence Framework, and that research informs all aspects of the teaching that we undertake in the department. And that means that students are exposed to cutting-edge information. People who have just returned from conducting fieldwork in the Antarctic on different aspects of glacier melt, for instance, they will be teaching those students on a Monday morning about what they found out about the previous week. And that goes for everything that we do in the department. All aspects of what we teach are informed, are led by the research that we do. But also in terms of the student experience, we place a lot of emphasis on the quality of teaching, the quality of the activities that students undertake as well. And one measure of that is the very positive feedback that we've got through the NSS recently, where 95% of our graduates were happy or very happy with the quality of the overall experience. Also in terms of the quality of the teaching, 97% either very happy or very happy with the quality of that teaching. So students coming to Aberystwyth have an excellent experience of the teaching that we do as well. And finally, I think the one other thing to note is something a little bit more esoteric, if you like, to a certain extent, but it's the quality of the community feeling that we have in the department. We're a large department, as I mentioned, but that we strive to make these strong connections between the student body and the staff to make everyone feel as if they're part of a community, part of an extended family while they're here at Aberystwyth. And you see that really in the long-term commitment that our graduates have to Aberystwyth as a place, to the university, but also specifically to the Department of Geography and Earth Sciences. And that does come about because of this strong emphasis we place on this sense of community. The other thing that we're extremely pleased with is the quality of our DELI statistics. And these are the statistics that show where our graduates are 6 months after graduating. And the most recent figures that we have show that 91% of our graduates were either in full-time employment or following another course 6 months after graduating, and of those, 79% were in graduate level employment. And I think that shows the emphasis that we place on preparing students, not just teaching them about the theory of geography and earth sciences, but also preparing them, instilling them with a set of practical experiences, skills, and knowledges that can help them then to find gainful employment and high quality employment as well after graduating.